Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Gemini and creating a new image project so you can work immediately. Upload the 2-5 photos you want to combine. This gives Gemini clear source material to analyze. Once done, select the canvas size and orientation to match the final output. This affects composition and cropping. Make sure to set any accessibility or permission toggles so Gemini can access your images. This avoids interruptions when you move to the merge step. Now you place and align each image on separate layers so you control overlap and perspective. Use transform to scale and rotate for matching horizons or subjects. Then add masks where two photos meet. You want clean transitions, so feather the mask edges slightly. Next, choose blend modes and tweak opacity to harmonize color and exposure. This step removes obvious seams and lets Gemini synthesize consistent lighting. Keep checking at full zoom and at final finish by applying a final color grade so the combined image reads as one scene. Use Gemini's AI touch-up to fix minor artifacts. Export a high-quality PNG or JPEG and also save the layered project if you want edits later. If you see ghosting or mismatched lighting, make sure masks don't overlap incorrectly. Redo the blend step with different modes, or upload higher resolution sources. That usually resolves stubborn seams and gives a cleaner final result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.